Welcome to qnawire.
In your question, you're given a rhombus, RSTV. You're given some information here, and your first question is to find y. Now, the given information is that RS equals 5y plus 2, and that ST equals 3y plus 6. One of the properties of a rhombus is that these two sides would be equal, because all four sides of a rhombus have equal length. So we can set up the equation 5y plus 2 equals 3y plus 6. We can subtract 3y. We can subtract 2 from both sides. This gives us 2y equals 4. Divide by 2, giving us y equals 2. So now we have the answer to the question number 5, y equals 2. Question number 6 wants us to find the value of the distance TV. Again, this is a rhombus, so all four exterior sides would be equal. That means I can plug a 2 into one of the given statements. We would have 3 times 2 plus 6. That gives me 6 plus 6, or 12. So ST is 12, RS is 12, TV is 12, and RV is 12. The question you're looking for 6 was TV, so distance TV is 12. And now we're moving on to angles. One other piece of given information is that NV equals 6, and with a rhombus we know that the diagonals intersect at a right angle. Now that leads me to a relationship that I recognize where the short leg, this 6 has to be the short leg, because this side can't be smaller than 6 here, because the two sides have to add up to be greater than 12. So we must know that this side must be bigger than 6. That makes this 6 the short leg of a right triangle. And the hypotenuse would be here is 2 times the short leg. That happens in one special right triangle where this angle is 30 degrees, making this angle 60 degrees. Now you can do that way, or we could have set up a trig function where I say sine of angle NTV is going to equal the opposite side, which is the 6, over the hypotenuse, which is the 12. And if you do it that way, you'd have to use your calculator, but angle NTV is going to equal inverse sine of 6/12, or a half, which is 30. So 7, measure of angle NTV is 30 degrees. Number 8, we want SVT. I've already identified that as a 60 earlier, but we could get that by taking 180 minus the 90 we know, minus the 30 we know. So the measure of angle SVT is 60 degrees. Now we want to find the measure of angle RST. RST would include a 60 degree angle here and a 60 degree angle here, because we would know that's a right angle, we would know this is 30, and it has to be 60 here. So the two combined make 120 degrees. Moving on to 10, SRV, that would include a 30 and a 30 for the same reasoning. So the measure of angle SRV is the two 30 degree angles combined, or 60 degrees. And that should be all. I hope that was helpful, and have a nice day.